Hello and welcome to another tale of the Unseelie host. Play the intro.
It's a fucking intro. It's a fucking intro. I'm doing this temporarily until I get a new intro scene. It's a fucking intro. It's a fucking intro. It's a fucking intro. Now on to the main show.
Tonight's beastie is one called the Brollachan. It's another nasty beastie whose appearance is hard to say, for it has no shape whatsoever. It's sometimes said to be, that's because sometimes it's said to be it is young and not yet learned to keep a fixed form. It appears as a dark, cloudy entity with two bright red eyes in the middle. It's considered possible to summon a Brollachan in this form, but only to use it during magical rituals, although that would be a very dangerous thing to do. The Brollachan varies in size. It's about 2 feet in diameter in infancy, to about 2 meters across at the largest. It's not a bold creature, and it likes to hide in the shadows, but prefers barren hills compared to forested land, and it's often found near water. Due to its lack of shape, the Brollachan covets the shapes of others. It gets its chance, it will flow into something, be it a cow, a human, something of a decent size. It will flow into it and possess that body. And the only way you can identify a creature that's been possessed by the Brollachan is that its skin will darken and its eyes will redden. Often, such creatures that are possessed tend to behave in a wild, uncontrolled manner, often seeming to try to shake the intruder out. Although Brollachans will converse with humans and have some measure of respect for humans, they will, given a chance, possess humans. And humans are most vulnerable when they're not naturally strong-willed, or if there's an emotional upset at the time possession occurs. They particularly like to favour wee children in this case, for wee children are easier to take. The Brollachan cannot remain in its host for long though. Its intensity means that its host will wither and die after a few days, so the Brollachan tends to use that to garner and her host in closer to it, whether it be predatory to eat the dying animal or to help. Now, there is a way to drive out the Brollachan, but it's very difficult to do, and you need some special herbs to provide the medicine for this. Indeed, it's often thought you'd need to contact the Unseelie host to help get these herbs. Once forced out of the body, the Brollachan becomes very dangerous. If prevented from entering a new host, such as the person putting the cure on, it may still be able to cast spells and curse those that are present. Bright light's the best thing to keep it away. It also fears fire, possibly due to its form, despite its formlessness, as it can be burned. When driving off the Brollachan, it's best not to cause it serious harm, as this can draw down the wrath of its family members. Enjoy. Be careful when you're out in the Highlands, or anywhere in Scotland, in the dark, for the Brollachan may be choosing you. See you later. Hello, and welcome to I was about to say a very public spanking off.